Thanks for joining us live over here. We are soon going to have Mr. Chetan Bhagat with us. Hi,
Hi guys,
hello.
hello everyone. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Mr. Bhagat?
I'm very good too, and nice to be on your live. Yeah,
Actually, we are so honored and pleasured to have a person like you on our show Zindagi Aapki Hai. And what could be a better time? Just 2 days before your new book hits the market. We are honored to have you here.
yeah. No, it's really exciting. It just by chance ऐसा हो गया कि when my book was coming, the same time you only do these on Saturday I think, and I
Yeah, we
think
yeah, right.
so I
So,
said चलो ठीक है, nice to have a Saturday evening. I'm here in Singapore. I think it's 7 o'clock in India, but it's 9:30 here. So it's a nice Saturday evening,
oh,
raining
so
outside.
so it's so inspirational that you are, still working at this point of time when people are
Well,
relaxing
it's
on
not
back.
work. Come on, this is hardly work. Hi, Mr. Philosopher. Hi, Smart. Hi, Pavan. First person to join. Ayush, hello. Yeah. Ghazal, hello. Hello, Maman sir. Harsh, Arunita. Nice to have you guys.
Oh, you have n number of fans. You have such a
Yes.
followership that we'll have n number of people joining us here.
Yes.
Uh, First of all, I would like to welcome you wholeheartedly to my show Zindagi Aapki Hai. And from 2004, when you began, I can't even imagine 2004, and it's 2020. You began in 2004 as a writer, and today in
Mm-hmm.
2020, you are a writer, you are a social activist, motivational speaker, world's top 100, one of the world's top 100 most influential person, and whatnot, social activist, influencer, youth icon, role model. You are literally everything. So, how has the journey been?
Well, it's quite incredible, and I never expected itna hoga. But I just feel very blessed and very lucky. And this time, so we are releasing a book in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle
Yeah.
of Corona. We were very scared, but I have so much faith in my readers that they've already pre-ordered the book. All day they've been now the Amazon and Flipkart have started shipping the book, so they've been sending me screenshots of the book is on its way. Yeah.
So yes, whole India is waiting for your book, and we all are excited. And it comes like a ray of hope in the times of virus, the time of pandemic. So it's like everyone has something to look forward to. And for few days,
Hmm.
in fact, in our minds for few years to go, it's going to have a kind of impact. Uh,
Yes.
मैं आपसे ये नहीं पूछूंगी कि आपने कैसे सोचा कि आप राइटर बनना चाहते हैं या आपको कब पता चला, because we all know that, but rather I would like to ask you, in 2004, when people will
हाँ
not
जी.
look at writing as a career or profession which is very big, मतलब पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे ये भी कोई भला फुल टाइम करियर हुआ, how did you
हाँ.
get the guts to go for it?
Well, like some things in life are actually hard to explain because they're just your passion. You're right that it was not exactly something that people do from logical point of view, like career wise. It's not a great. But see, now you're also there is so much entertainment nowadays, but still you are passionate about books and you
Yeah.
call writers and you do it. So I think some of us just have that in us. We just love the medium of writing. We love stories. We love telling stories. It's the purest form of telling stories. Yeah.
So it has
So
more to do with passion than what is going on in the market or what is the career trend which you call. In India it's
yeah.
like MBA चल रहा है तो सब MBA कर लो, CA चल रहा है तो सब CA कर लो.
No. And I
But
always tell people, you have one life, यार. अभी तुम अभी नहीं करोगे, how much will you crush your dreams? I mean, basically. So you
right.
have to kind of do what you feel like. And I think that is what has made me me. If I was someone who did not follow my dreams, I would not be where I am today. And now I try to tell everybody else to follow their dreams.
So it has more to do with your passion and you followed your dream, so you are here.
Yeah.
Actually, so I would like
Yeah,
to say
because
viewers.
logically some things don't make sense. Logically some things will not make sense. Any of these creative professions, it's a very difficult. Everybody will say doctor बन जाओ, engineer बन जाओ. वो तो है ही Indian middle class में तो है ही वो. So that is correct.
Uh, आपने जो कहा उससे मुझे एक बात याद आई कि आप काफी बात करते हैं इंडियन मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज के बारे में एंड यू आर सो प्राउड दैट यू आर वन ऑफ देम एंड यू डिस्क्राइब दैट वी आर कंजर्वेटिव वी आर नॉट फ्लेक्सिबल बट वी आर वेरी स्ट्रांग इन आवर बिलीव्स. You always keep saying कि we are very loving and caring people. So have you experienced any kind of mindset change in Indian middle class families that has gone through the time?
I think थोड़े से opportunities बड़े हैं. By the way, hi Amit Son, he saying Chetan sir, please take my name. So guys, I'm having a conversation. तो मैं सबके नाम नहीं ले सकता, sorry, but it's very sweet to see your comments and likes. Okay, so I think middle class, like many years back, it was only doctor engineer. अभी भी है doctor engineer, lawyer, the safe professions. लेकिन थोड़ा सा I would say somewhat people have learned now कि और भी चीजें हैं, you know, करने को. So I think people are letting youngsters try a few more things, try their own, at least for 1 or 2 years, maybe try or open your own business. There is some change, but इतना भी नहीं है जितना I would like.
Okay, so there is a long way to go. Would you say that? There's still
Yeah, I think so. I think still people feel like, you know, जो safe है, safe रास्ता ही लो. पर safe रास्ता लेके, you know, you will be safe, but you will not live a full life.
Actually, safe rasta lekar you will be someone, but you can't be Chetan Bhagat. For being a Chetan
No, you
Bhagat,
can't be someone special.
you can't. That's what you are. Someone special. You know, if you are influencing the country like no other writer, it means you are someone special. And when I say that, you've been writing books for so many years. You have made India read like no other writer. So have you experienced any shift in the taste of the readers?
I think readers have a lot of choice now, you know. So that is there. Readers have a lot of choice, and that means like because on your phone you can always check Instagram and YouTube. So the readers want, if they will read a book, they will they want it to be very gripping. तो जैसे अभी मैं that's why I moved from love stories to murder mysteries, because people want to keep turning the pages. I want them to feel very suspense, you know. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So in a way, जो mindset है Indian readers का या जो taste और preference है वो भी थोड़ा broad हुआ है. You would say that now they want more of variety and suspense and thrill and so much more. Okay.
Yeah.
Talking about that, when you get more excited and happy when your book is out in the market or when a movie on your new book is out in the market, when you feel more happy?
I think now, like actually you've caught me at that time ना, जो बड़ा rare होता है, because it's always once in 2 years, but literally like today and tomorrow is the only day when nobody has read the book. Monday से तो मेरे को feedback आना चालू हो जाएगा.
हाँ,
So yeah,
absolutely.
I think there is excitement, but there is like last minute there is nervousness only.
Are you still? I mean, you still get nervous because now you're a pro at it. You know how people would take you.
I am not that nervous. I'm not scared. उतना भी नहीं, पर nervous ये कि लोग इतना support करते हैं, इतना कहते हैं चेतन भगत की बुक आ रही है, चेतन भगत की बुक आ रही है, अरे ये हो रहा है, everybody's talking about it. So I don't want them to feel disappointed. The fans should not be disappointed. It's not like I'm nervous in other ways, yeah.
But actually, expectations इतनी बड़ी है आपसे that it itself puts a kind of pressure on you. कि you have to meet everyone's expectations as well. So many movies are done on your books. Who do you think as an actor has lived your character very well on screen? आपको क्या लगता है कि किस एक्टर ने स्क्रीन पर आपके बुक के कैरेक्टर को अच्छे से जिया है?
Well, I would say, it's really hard. मैं सबको जानता हूँ, तो अगर आप एक चुनने बोलेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा बोलेगा. I would say Alia Bhatt in Two States. She really did a very good job. I mean, you're just asking me. They were all good. I mean, okay, let's just say Sushant and Kai Poche. Fantastic.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Nothing like that. Apart from all that, you are a writer, a social influencer, activist, columnist, and I can just go on. You are already so much. But how would you like to see yourself in future? Like a politician, a director, or someone else?
I think I'm happy being a writer, but I am a motivational speaker, and I think that really helps people. When I motivate people, it really helps. So I think I want to do more motivation. So yeah,
More of a
so I think I just
motivation.
want motivation. Yeah.
So, okay, talking about motivation, Mr. Bhagat, people like to talk about their success story, boost their success, but they don't want to talk about the failure, the rejection, which is equally a part of life. So, would you like to share some of your experience and let us know how have you dealt with it?
Huh?
आपने
I
कभी लाइफ
am.
में या
आई थिंक कई बार हुआ है, कई बार मुश्किलें आती हैं लाइफ में, एंड आई थिंक मेरी जो पहली वाली बुक थी ये कोई छापना नहीं चाहता था। आज सब चितन भगत कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक टाइम पे कोई मेरी बुक छापना नहीं चाहता था। तो
sort of?
या मे बी दैट्स व्हाई, बट आई लव इट, थैंक यू।
So yeah, even we are very happy that we have you guys over here with us, and when we are talking to the Chetan Bhagat, and the kind of person he is, the kind of work he has done, it makes me add that the Chetan Bhagat, which you say Shri Chetan Bhagat in Hindi. So let me go ahead with the rounds of questions, but this time we are going to have a lot of fun questions. Mr. Bhagat, we have one game which is like called Speedometer. This time you really
मेरे को
have
डर लगता है
to.
आपके गेम से, मुझे डर लगता है।
आप
क्या
आप इतने
गेम?
आप इतने बोल्ड, आपको किस चीज से डर लग सकता है? Let's go ahead with it.
यस श्योर।
Okay, so I'll give you one question. You have
एक
to.
मिनट में लोगों को थोड़ा और,
Yeah.
नए लोग कमेंट डाल रहे हैं उनको भी हाय बोल देते हैं, फिर चालू करते हैं। We're going to start a
जरूर
game, guys.
जरूर
247 people now. So yeah. So hi Biswajit Sarkar, Kailash, hello. The Smart Boy 592, Chadokar Pratika, hello. And up and Priyanshu, yeah. Okay, fine. Let's go.
Okay, before that, I have a few questions from your fans coming up, like a lot of questions.
275 now.
279 now. Okay,
Wow.
so let me first
जाना
ask you
मत,
that
सब यही
question.
रहो, अभी गेम हो रही है यहाँ पे। हाँ,
गेम शुरू होने से पहले मैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ. When you began writing, you went through a renowned publisher. So अभी सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग का बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड है. People are writing more, they are going for self publishing. It is a very easier process. So, but going through the publication house, big publication house, is a lengthier and a very difficult process. But then, what do you suggest to the people who genuinely want to write and they don't want to go for self-publishing, they want to be recognized? Give some tips how to do that, how to go about that.
हाँ। So I think यार जैसे आपने कह ही दिया, एक स्लो प्रोसेस है, एक फास्टर प्रोसेस है, लेकिन अगर आप में पेशेंस है तो आप स्लो प्रोसेस में जा सकते हो। एज सच सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस दो इश्यूज है। सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग में आपकी बुक कोई चेक नहीं कर रहा ज्यादा, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से बेस्ट बुक बनानी है, वो आपका एडिटिंग कोई और नहीं करेगा। और दूसरी बात, मार्केटिंग आपको खुद ही करनी है। वो तो खैर पब्लिश्ड में भी मैं आपको बता दूं कि आपको मार्केटिंग खुद ही करनी पड़ती है। आप देख ही रहे हो, मैं खुद ही अपनी किताब बेचता रहता हूँ, करता रहता हूँ सारा दिन। सो आई थिंक so I think that's the only thing. Marketing and the editing comes on your hand, but there's no issue.
Okay, so matlab you don't see a hell and heaven difference kind of a thing in self-publishing.
No. Nowadays it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, so if you have the opportunity, which is like a easier opportunity, then you might go for it, like a self-publishing thing. Okay, so this is the answer from a lot of people who have questioned this from Chetan Bhagat. Okay, guys, we can't wait to play Speedometer, and if you excel in it, you get a hamper like Coffee with Karan. This is not Coffee with Karan. This is Zindagi Aapki Hai with Naina Moore. But let's go for it. Okay, early riser, night owl.
I am an early riser.
Okay. Everybody is Chetan Bhagat's fan. Chetan Bhagat is a fan of.
I am a fan of so many people. Yeah, I am a fan of Ranveer Singh. I like him.
Oh, the energy, I must say.
Yeah.
Okay.
I swear, man. I want to eat whatever he eats.
Okay. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie दिल चाहता है.
दिल चाहता है. Foodaholic, workaholic.
You know, I'm Punjabi, so all Punjabis are foodaholics. But now, because of fitness and diet, अभी थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. But I try not to talk about food so much.
दिल्ली वाले खाने के बारे में बात ना करे, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
मत करो यार. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम मुझे इतनी सारी खाने की फोटोज दिखाता रहता है. वो एक्सप्लोर में जा जाके, you know, like it's just like you go there and it's like I'm trying to go on a diet and कभी कुकीज आ रहे हैं, कभी केक आ रहे हैं, और एक देख लो तो वो 50 और दिखाता है. So I'm like, I'm gonna now not see any food photos.
Mr. Bhagat, what is your favorite rasgulle, gulab jamun, rasmalai?
Stop it! Can you play the game? Stop! मैं नहीं सुन रहा आप क्या कह रहे हैं. मुझे नहीं पता.
Let's go ahead. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Fun, hardworking, and caring.
Okay, caring.
I'm very caring.
If
To the
you're
people I
very
love,
caring,
I'm very caring. Yes.
I can see that right now as well. The way you are, communicating
Well
with your
structured interview. आपकी भी
followers and
तारीफ आ रही है.
viewers.
Hello मैम, आपकी पूरी शिव कह रही है. Well structured interview. Yes, ma'am has prepared and all. ऐसे थोड़ा जाता है इंटरव्यू यार. तैयारी करके आई है.
अगर आप किसी को पता नहीं कब से पढ़ रहे हो और आप किसी के बारे में कब से इमेजिन कर रहे हो, when you've been reading his books, you really don't need any preparation. I was already so happy that I'm going to have Chetan Bhagat on my show. I can't tell you how.
सब लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं आपके. देख लो कमेंट पे लिखा हुआ है कि भैया ऐसे बड़ी अच्छी वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरव्यू आई है. तो गुड. हम लोगों को शाउट आउट भी चाहिए.
I genuinely
किसको चाहिए?
accept it.
कौन है? हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो. Yeah.
I genuinely accept the तारीफ because चेतन भगत के सामने अगर आप मेरी थोड़ी सी भी सुन रहे हैं या मेरी थोड़ी सी भी तारीफ कर रहे हैं तो हाँ, मैं तारीफ के काबिल हूँ. Because when the man like him is here,
सुन रहे हैं मैम. 200 से हम अपना 260 270 लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. जो 5-10 लोग गए हैं उनको मम्मी पापा डांट लगा रहे हैं. चलो तुम आओ, क्या कर रहे हो वहां पे तुम अपने फोन पे. उन बेचारों को जाना पड़ रहा है. बाकी तो बैठे हैं.
आप सिंगापुर में
रोशन
हैं.
बैठी है. इट्स क्रेजी बैठी है. अब्दुल रहमान है. ये बेचारे बैठे हैं. बाकी को मम्मी पापा ने डांट लगाई है. सो अब क्या करो तुम फोन पे सारा दिन. सो हम तो राइटर को सुन रहे हैं. राइटर वो एजुकेटेड राइटर है.
अरे educated.
ऐसे करके बहाने बना के इंस्टाग्राम पे बैठो थोड़ी देर और. हाय.
कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Okay, let's come back to the game. If you write your autobiography,
अगर मम्मी पापा बुला रहे हैं, आप बोल दो करियर एडवाइस मिल रहा है, मैं सीख रहा हूँ लाइफ में क्या करना है, इसलिए आपको फिर छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. अभी ये नंबर हमें बढ़ाना है. चलो. हाँ.
और बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाना है क्योंकि हम मिस्टर भगत के बारे में बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग जानने वाले हैं. इफ यू राइट योर ऑटोबायोग्राफी, व्हाट वुड यू नेम इट?
God's own pen.
God's own pen. So, do you mean to imply that when you write, you don't write? There is a kind of passion. There's a kind of something from which makes you write. Is it like that?
Yes, I think. मुझे नहीं पता मैम कि मेरी स्टोरीज कहाँ से आ रही हैं. कि इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा मेरी ही बुक बिकती है. पिछले ना इतने सारे स्टोरीज हो गए. तो कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है कि और राइटर्स भी अच्छा ही लिखते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं भगवान का हाथ है मेरे ऊपर. सो आई एम गॉड्स ओन पेन.
Such a beautiful name that you've given. Okay. What do you do for fun?
I like fitness. I do a lot of like gym. I go for a run. I like to go for walks. Of course I watch Netflix and all that. So yeah, those kind of things. I read. I talk to friends. I love गप्पे मारना. मुझे बड़ा पसंद है. I don't know if that counts as an activity, पर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है गप्पे मारना.
जानकर अच्छा लगा कि चेतन भगत को भी गॉसिपिंग पसंद है. जानकर बड़ा हमारी जैसे हैं वाली फीलिंग आ गई. Celebs can be like us. Okay, what traits attracts you in a person? Like top 3 traits.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Let me think. I think something when they are real, when they are very articulate, like when they're very clear and they're very interesting to talk to, and when they're very kind people.
Okay, so yeah, kindness is like a very necessary trait. Okay, most expensive thing that you own?
Oh, my house must be, in Pali Hill. I think I don't own that many things, but my house, yeah. I think in Bombay, the house, and that's Bombay houses are expensive. I mean, it's not a house, it's a flat, but yeah, that must be the if you count that. Otherwise, yeah, my laptop, phone, I don't know.
Okay, so nothing.
Yeah,
का,
nothing so
अरे
crazy. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay.
अच्छा, मतलब ये वैसा वाला आंसर नहीं है जहाँ लोग बोलते हैं आई ओन दिस एंड आई ओन दैट एंड काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आर डिफरेंट. सिंपल बंदा, अरे मेरा घर बहुत महंगा है क्योंकि वो बॉम्बे में है. ओके, टेल अस 3 people you can't live without.
My mother and my family and some of my friends. I can't live without them. No more than 3 हैं.
How
आप दो सो हैं.
intelligent! You've counted your whole family in one, your whole friend group in one.
Yeah, but it's not whole group. Like there are only 3-4 friends, which are the real, like really, like I can't live without them.
Okay, so you won't answer like a 1, 2, 3. You'll answer 1, 2, 3 in a group. Okay, very intelligent of you to do that. 3 things you can't do without.
Sleep, coffee, and my computer.
Okay,
Because
can
I
you
write
live
on that.
without internet?
Huh?
Since you said computer, can you live
No,
without?
हाँ मतलब वही internet, वही computer, internet, Wi-Fi, whatever, data. Huh.
Okay, okay. So if you get isolated in an island and you can just call for 3 things or people, just 3 things or people, then what would or whom would it be?
3 things in what meaning?
3 things or 3 people, whatever. Like you can only call for 3, either things or people, whatever. But the total should be 3. What would be?
Jैसे give me an example, like.
Oh God, I mean, have I asked such a difficult question?
Yeah.
Have I given such a difficult question? If you are isolated in an island and you can call for only 3 things or people, what would it be?
No, I mean, anybody will say family, you know. So that's my confusion.
You can't call your whole
आ जाओ भाई
family.
सारे आ जाओ ये आ जाओ.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. मतलब 3 चीजें अलाउड है. मिस्टर भगत है, राइटर है, अपना लैपटॉप तो मंगाएंगे ही कि आइलैंड में मुझे लैपटॉप भेज दो, मैं एक बुक नहीं लिख लूंगा. तो एक चीज तो यही चली जाती है. देन गो फॉर अदर 2. टेल अस.
I would say I would call. I can't tell you.
You can't tell me.
Someone
See.
special.
Someone special. Oh, okay. Oh God. Now to be seriously want to know about that.
अरे ये सर राइटर का इंस्टा लाइव हो रहा है, अब तो फिर कहाँ चलेगा. स्टार्टअप बन गई है यहाँ.
Okay. Okay, tell me if you want to answer this question in one word. What would you like to say to Kamna Ranaut?
Cool, man. I mean, just stay peaceful. You know, I really I admire that you are very bold. But I can imagine that अगर मुझे जितनी ट्रोलिंग हो रही है उनको कम से कम 100 गुना ज्यादा हो रही होगी. So it can affect. So keep your mental peace, please.
Very nice. Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji.
I don't know. Just have to do your best. ये कोरोना हटाओ सर. कुछ करो.
I wish वो कुछ कर सकते हैं.
I know.
Okay. Mr. Shashi Tharoor.
कि मुझे थोड़े बड़े बड़े वर्ड सिखाओ इंग्लिश के, मुझे नहीं आते.
Okay, the vocabulary. Sonu Sood.
Awesome job, man. I hope India has more people like you.
Nice, so nice. Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
बैठो थोड़ा देश में बैठो. Try, I mean, be a stronger opposition, I would say.
Yes, I think we indeed need that.
You need a stronger opposition, so yeah.
Yes, we do. You are very and moreover, you write so much about whatever is going in and around the country, which is like an eye opener. I read your statement about shut off your 4G and talk about the economics of the country, talk about the index of the country, which is like very inspiring. when you write something like that, you know, even those things need so much of guts. So it's never like आप लिखते हो और आप delete करते हो कि लिखूं या ना लिखूं, या आप अपना opinion बस strongly रखते हो. What is the process like? You just आप कैसे कर लेते हो ये?
जैसे
मतलब you know, अपने opinions को इतना कैसे strongly आप रख लेते हो?
एक राइटर का काम है, लोगों को आपको अपना जो आप सोचते हो वो लोगों को बताना मेरा काम है. एंड अगर लोग मुझे कहेंगे कि हम आपसे सहमत नहीं है, आप ये मत बोलो वो मत बोलो, तो इट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. इट्स नॉट माई जॉब टू बी लाइक्ड. इट्स माई जॉब टू से व्हाट इज राइट.
Oh, that's so inspiring that, you know, you put forth your opinion and you are unaffected by whatever people think about it. If it's right, you will put forth.
Yeah.
Great. So this is my last question. It is, you have to tell me in one word, happiness is. You are a coffee lover. You get those coffee mugs na जिसमें लिखा होता है happiness is. So what is happiness is for Chetan Bhagat?
You know, freedom and peace of mind and freedom.
Yes, my hundreds of
if I have peace of mind. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
So it's peace of mind and freedom. In two words, you have given a lot of liberation. I'm feeling already liberated. अगर ये दो चीजें हो जाए तो nothing like that. So at the end of the game, suspense, like one arranged murder. Yes, you win the hamper.
Thank you. There was no competition.
Yeah, there was no yeah, I have been scoring so many celebrities henceforth, and I'd be, so I know you've answered quite well and quite honestly, except one question which is obviously a suspense. I would want to know that special one and all that.
आइलैंड पे अकेले किसके साथ रहना चाहते हो? तो मैं अकेले रह रहा हूँ ना, तो सबको क्यों बताऊंगा भाई.
और राइटर तो ऐसे भी अकेले अपने लिखने में ही मशगूल हो सकते हैं, तो वो किसी की क्या जरूरत. बुक्स आर द बेस्ट कंपेनियंस. Writing is the best companion. So in that way, you still scored. And right now, we can't give you a hamper. Lot of virtual hugs and love from our side. But I'm going to send you the hamper.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Bhagat, before we wind up the show, I would want you to give some message to our viewers. Something that is going on, going on in your mind right now. Something that is inspirational.
I always want people, especially a lot of people interested in writing and things like that. I will tell you this. Even though I'm very commercial kind of writer, very popular writer, I always have my own voice. And I don't get lured by anyone, and I don't get bullied by anyone. I may not be always right, but I do what I think is right. So yeah,
very nice. Very, very nice. It is so inspirational, and it was so great to have you over here. And I would say to everyone who's watching us and everyone who's going to watch this video later that do read Chetan Bhagat's upcoming book. It's going to hit the market in 2 days. One Arranged Marriage Cross Murder. And I'm telling you guys, you already know he is the one who made India read like no other writer, who taught us what reading could be. So it's going to be awesome. And I wish you all the luck and lot of congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Naina, for doing this so well and making it so fun. And it was really enjoyable doing this with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm honored. Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You too.
So guys, we were just live with Mr. Chetan Bhagat. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you were happy with getting the kind of motivation you look forward to. I just hope कि मैं आपके लिए हर वीक वो ला पाती हूँ जो आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके लिए लाऊं. आप चाहते हैं कुछ मोटिवेशनल कहानियां सुनना, और लोग सक्सेस के बारे में तो काफी बात करते हैं. हम ऐसे लोगों को लेकर आते हैं जो सक्सेसफुल हैं, बट वो बिल्कुल नहीं शाय करते या डरते अपने फेलियर्स और रिजेक्शन के बारे में बात करने से. आपने लोगों की सक्सेस तो देखी है, पर उनका स्ट्रगल नहीं देखा. तो हम आपको दिखाते हैं उनका स्ट्रगल, उनकी रियल लाइफ, उनकी लाइफ के बारे में इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें और आपको हर वीक मोटिवेट और इंस्पायर करते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वीक वी आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम सैटरडे टू फ्राइडे. Be prepared, be ready to be entertained, be inspired, and don't miss to catch me live on जिंदगी आपकी है. और ये मत भूलिएगा कि सचमुच जिंदगी आपकी है. Bye bye. Have a good night.